Today, NEM versus Waves. Let's talk about it. So, to introduce you to this series, I will be speaking about pros of every coin, cons of every coin, the future of every coin, and also I will predict some kind of summary for the end of this video. And this video isn't investment advice, it's just a video about the technology on the both platforms. So, let's start. NEM and Waves are very similar platforms in terms of their attitude. Both are proof-of-stake based, both are API-centric, and both based on the ideas first shown by the NXT platform. So let's start from the pros of Waves. Waves token creation is super cheap. You need to pay only one Waves to set up your own token, and its creation is faster and simpler than in NEM, as you don't have to lease the namespace. Waves decentralized exchange. Another huge plus for Waves, with easy way of creating token and automatic listing on its decentralized exchange, Waves platform is independent entity. It's a big plus for every project and ICO, as most of them want to deliver tokens to exchange just after the ICO, and they don't like paying huge cost for the traditional exchange to list the coin. Another point, it's fast blockchain. Throughput is at the 100 transactions per second at this moment. It makes Waves one of the fastest blockchain on the market. Another pro is leasing. Proof-of-stake, lease proof-of-stake. Is much easier mechanism than harvesting or having supernode on NEM. It also don't require the minimal stake. This is just a click and go type of transaction, which you can cancel at any moment. And the last pro, a lot of traffic in the blockchain, because there is more than 10,000 different tokens on it. At the point of creating this video, there is around 13,000 different tokens on Waves. So let's jump into pros of NEM. First point, NEM blockchain has versatile options, hence has many different use cases, from IoT through location services, notarization, tokenization, to the powering financial services. Second point, there is a big ecosystem of community-driven development, a lot of apps and small tools helping with growth of this ecosystem. Third point, NEM ecosystem isn't limited only to the public blockchain. It uses external provider, Tech Bureau, to support private, permissioned versions of the blockchain called Mijin, with high throughput up to 1000 transactions per second. You can buy this permission blockchain template on the Microsoft Store, Microsoft Azure. Fourth point, public blockchain, which is chosen by many companies because it resembles the features of permission blockchain. Off-chain logic is much more secure and easy to develop than on-chain logic. Also, it's more accessible through the APIs. Fifth point, NEM's wallet. Nano Wallet offers vast amount of services like notarization, multi-signature, token creation, voting section. It's easy to use and shows the real power of API-based blockchains. And now let's jump to the cons. So first con of the Waves, it's not a big ecosystem. Community isn't working as much on open source applications. For example, there don't exist any paper wallet generators for Waves. Second point, not a blockchain of choice for people that want to incorporate some logic. Even that there is no logic on chain on both platforms, NEM blockchain offers more different functions like messages, multi-signature, and the use case of it is wider. Although the volume on the centralized exchange is fairly big, it is mostly due to cross-cryptocurrency trades like Waves and Ethereum pair, Waves and Bitcoin pair. Most of the tokens on Waves are fairly small volume ones, with 100,000 USD per day max. Also, those tokens capitalization is rather small. So let's jump to cons on NEM. First point, harvesting on NEM is less profitable and harder to perform than leasing system on Waves. Second point, not many updates. Developers started working on another generation of NEM in 2016, which stopped development of current version. Some features of NEM Core version 1 are becoming obsolete. Community developers can't really support this platform as some of the code is closed source and only way to contribute is through NEM process. Creation of token costs 110 ZEM and you need to be sure to buy it every year or you will lose your namespace. And last point, only 2 transactions per second, which is artificial cap, is lower than most blockchains, especially Waves with 100 transactions per second. Now, I will tell you guys a little bit about the future of both platforms in my eyes, so how I see the future of both platforms. So in terms of Waves, at the moment of releasing this video, Waves probably released the new smart contract feature on testnet, adding off-chain multi-signature similar to NEM and time lock functions. I think in future, Waves will go deeper this way. They are already showed that they can be leaders in low market cap coins, personal tokens and airdrops with their decentralized exchange system. I believe they will be influenced by similar blockchains like NEM or Ardor in move to add more services to their agenda. In NEM, we are waiting on Catapult release on the public chain. I think it may happen at any point in 2018, first on testnet and then on mainnet. Features like atomic swaps, aggregated transactions, which basically are escrows on-chain, multi-layer multi-signature, pool transactions, locks will push blockchain technology to the next level. So far, developers can work on this new version with basic features on the private test chain. We are looking for release date on public chain, which should be known at the end of this year. To summarize, I see both blockchains gaining more attention in second part of 2018. Both communities are active and development teams are working hard pushing new code to testnets. I see Waves trying to expand and invite more high market cap projects to populate their blockchain, while NEM needs to confirm their position as the leader behind the Ethereum in ICO and tokenization services. Also, I think NEM should market their first NEM Mosaic exchange harder because we've got the working version of it and it's almost as good as decentralized exchange on the Waves. So guys, thanks for watching. That's all in this episode. Those versus series aren't about picking the best blockchain overall, but showing the differences and suggested use cases of them. There are no winners here. All top 100 blockchains are winners in my opinion. Just a matter of time, resources and management will differentiate them in future. Hope you liked this video. If you did, please hit the thumbs up underneath and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to write a comment on your thoughts about those blockchains and feedback about this video. See you soon!